How to copy and paste a text in Android. Hey everybody, welcome to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy any text and paste it wherever you want. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser. So I've taken this featured article for today. To copy these texts, simply tap on the starting of the page. And you will see copy, share, select all. If you would like to select all these text, tap on select all. It will automatically select all these text from this page. Now all you have to do is tap on to copy. Now as you can see that this text has been copied to clipboard. If you would like to only select a particular text, long tap onto it and drag it below to whichever extent that you would like. Once you do so, tap on copy. Now as this text has been copied to your clipboard, open any space that you would like to paste this text. In my case, I'm gonna go to notes. Now you can see that the copied text is displayed on the keyboard. If you don't see it here, just long tap onto it and tap onto paste. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.